So, I got this today, ordered from allaboutjtk.com. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use my key here. Josh is excited to open his new package. Let's find out what is inside this mystery box. Not really mystery. Not really mystery. My store from Thursday, March the 5th, ordered Josh, the killer. J to the T to the K, A to the K, K to the A, the K. All right, let's try this out. The killer. I like this. I like this. I would love to see what this actually looks like on here. I have a screen right in front of... Bro, are you kidding me? This is freaking awesome, man. Guy, you know what I should do? I should really just play the Daily Paper song and just rap to this. Let's do this all at once. Where's my phone? I did not think that this will look so good. All right, I will turn on the music right now. I'm yours. I hope so the audio they record, man, because otherwise it's gonna be a big fuck up. Fuck up. Mess up. It'll be mess up. So right now we are at Hickey's.
Yes.
Hickey's in Fredericton, New Brunswick. You already know exactly what that is. I don't need to tell you what it's about. I just need to demonstrate what it's about. Hickey's. So now we're going to play Daily Paper by Ladi Flamez, who is on the other side of the camera, by the way. And yours truly, JTK. All right. I will skip to my verse because that's what we're doing, because I'm on the camera, right? So. Me and I Daily Paper.